Friends, here we go again. Walking at the beach and removing the stress. Also for your heart to be strong. Ayan. So, lublob ang barefoot sa tubig, dagat. Ayan. Oh. Ayun, grabe. Ayan. Kumama ang alon. Ayun. Yan. Yun, no? Yun. Sarap. Naglakad ng barefoot. Kasi pagtanggal ng stress. Yun. Yun, no? Yes. So, one way of removing your stress during a 1 week business and work. So, just go to the beach front and ilugdog mo ang iyong paa sa dagat para ma-relax ka. Diba? Yun, oh. Sabi, eh. Sarap. Yes. Grabe. Diba to? Yung banda ron, yun ang White Castle. Gitna ng dagat. Yun. Dulo. Yun, oh. White Castle. Grabe. Relaxing. Yan, oh. Uy. Sarap. Sarap. So see you again later pag pakita yung sunrise, I mean the sunset. Ganda rito, grabe. See you again, friends.